Window installation. Miami is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With the best window installation Miami, Florida has to offer, residents can enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows Miami, which help reduce energy bills and improve indoor comfort. Miami window installation services provide a range of options, including custom windows, Miami and Impact Windows Miami, designed to withstand the region's unique weather conditions. For those seeking window installation in Coral Gables, Miami window installation experts offer top-rated window installers Miami Residents Trust. These professionals specialize in residential window installation, Miami and commercial window installation Miami, ensuring that every project is completed to the highest standards. With affordable window installation Miami FL, homeowners can upgrade their properties without breaking the bank. In South Miami, window installation specialists Miami rely on provide comprehensive services, from window replacement Miami to new installations. Sliding windows Miami and double-hung windows Miami are popular choices for their functionality and aesthetic appeal. Miami custom window solutions cater to the specific needs of each client, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Kendall Miami residents can benefit from the expertise of window contractors Miami, who offer a wide range of products, including vinyl windows Miami and aluminum windows Miami. These materials are known for their durability and low maintenance, making them ideal for the Miami climate. Window installation cost Miami is competitive, with window installation deals Miami available to suit various budgets. Doral Miami is home to window installation professionals. Miami residents trust for their attention to detail and commitment to quality. Whether you need window glass Miami replacement or a complete window frame Miami overhaul, these experts provide reliable and efficient services. Miami window installation quotes are transparent, ensuring no hidden fees or surprises. Hialeah Miami offers window installation services Miami residents can count on for both new constructions and renovations. With Miami Hurricane window installation, homeowners can protect their properties from severe weather while enhancing curb appeal. Energy-saving window installation. Miami options are available to help reduce environmental impact and save on utility costs. Aventura. Miami residents looking for window installation near me. Miami can find a range of options, from window installation reviews, Miami to window installation company, Miami recommendations. These resources help homeowners make informed decisions about their window installation projects. Miami window installation cost is competitive, with various financing options available. Homestead Miami is served by window installation specialists Miami, who provide personalized service and expert advice. From window installation quotes Miami to window installation reviews Miami, these professionals ensure a seamless experience from start to finish. Best window installation Miami, Florida services are just a call away, offering peace of mind and exceptional results. North Miami residents can rely on window installation experts Miami for all their window needs. Whether it's Impact Windows Miami for storm protection or energy-efficient Windows Miami for cost savings, these professionals deliver top-notch service. Miami window installation company options are plentiful, with each offering unique benefits and features. Window installation. Miami is a vital service for homeowners looking to improve their property's functionality and appearance.